thing, a little faster. E major to D major. Here we go, all right? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. These are what? Half notes, right. Half notes get 2 beats. 2, 3, 4. There are 2 half notes to a bar. 2, 3, 4. How many quarter notes to a bar of 4? Right, 4. Let's try them. 1, 2, 3. You know what's coming next. Eighth notes. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... What does 16th notes sound like? We can find out the next time through.